Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some helpful microwave information, okay? Everybody knows that microwaves are standard size pretty much across the board, okay? And if you have a new house, they build for space between the bottom of the microwave and the stove. Well, if you don't have a newer house and you're putting a new microwave in, you might run into a little thing called space between the bottom of the microwave and your stove, okay? That's kind of icky. Well, KitchenAid has come up with a new design. It is the Space Maker microwave. This is a mount under the counter microwave that is basically the same width side to side, but the thing is, it's literally just over half the size. So if you're doing that remodel or you're wanting to replace it, you have to do this to get underneath to check some stuff on your microwave, this is what the model you're looking for, okay? Size-wise, it's the same. The only real difference is, compared to these dimensions are about the same, but your dimensions are different right here. This is about, I want to say 5.5 inches to about 10.5 inches. So if you're one of those people that likes to heat large cups of water, this is not going to work for you. If you're like the rest of us, this is going to function just as well as a microwave, but it will give you much more gap between your stove and your microwave, okay? This is a new design, a new thing they're testing out, and I think it's going to be here to stay because there's a lot of remodeling going on out there. And as you remodel, you find out, no, I cannot raise my cabinets and I cannot lower my stove, so how can I get a microwave in there? But this is the size and design you're looking for. Something like one of these, okay? So it's quite nice. It does have a power open button, or you can pull it yourself, and then here's all your controls and all it will do. It will do everything a full-size microwave does, except, like I said, you lose a little bit of height. Now everybody knows microwaves have that little rack like this that no one ever uses. That is so people can do multiple things at one time, and 98.5% of us who own a microwave do not use that rack. Nor should you, because it can cause issues, okay? But it is perfectly okay to use it if you know how to use it. For those of us who don't, you pretty much have 4 or 5 inches of wasted space in your microwave that you don't ever use. Well, KitchenAid decided that let's just get rid of that space, and we are going to make it where you don't need the rack, and pretty much just about 90% of your pots and pans will fit in there that you would put in a microwave anyways, and it will save you space, and you won't have to do this to get under your microwave to see what's going on with your stove. So this is an option to seriously think about if you're remodeling, or if you just want more space over the stove, okay? And this is the new KitchenAid design. So keep an eye out for it, take a look for it, and seriously consider it when you're remodeling, okay? Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and tune in for more good information in the future. Thank you very much.